Yo, what's happening, people? It's Saturday. It's just after 10. I'm on my way over to the Ferrari workshop. Can't get my words out, man. It's too early. Oh my god. So first thing, let's go inside and see what's what. Goes, man. Just walk straight through.
Just round there.
Round there. All right.
Just go. You'll see an 812 round there.
Oh man. All right. Let's do this, man. So apparently around the corner is an 812. I want to see that again, man. That is a beautiful machine. Thank you very much. Cheers. All right, people, here we go. All right, is it Tony?
Yes.
After you, Tony.
Okay.
Let's do this. So we're going through. Oh my God.
This is the workshop.
Yeah.
So this is the classic car bit where we do all our classic A work and
Yeah.
everything. So we've got some examples of stuff that we've been dealing with. At the other end is all the modern stuff and all the new stuff.
Yeah.
Please feel free.
Oh man, the smell, man. That's Are you? I'm Innocent or Rawkus TV. What's up, here, man?
Nice to meet you.
Man, it smells incredible in here, man. It's like
amazing workshop.
it's like car heaven in this place. Horsepower hunters. I should know this by now. So, alright, for those who don't know, man, this horsepower hunters over here is right there, man. Ferrari right there. Where's mine, man? Ain't got one.
Next time.
Oh, damn.
Next time.
So we're here at the service center or workshop, and Ferrari basically got this center got the classic
Classic A.
certification.
Classic A.
Classic A, is that how you say it? Classic A. See, there you go. That's what I'm talking to you, man. So the Classic A certification. So what does that really mean, though?
So Classic A is where Ferrari or HRO on behalf of Ferrari look at a car and confirm that it is the same as it is when it came out of the factory.
All right.
And then it gets a certificate, a book, a badge on the dash to say that car is in the correct condition and hasn't been fiddled with and so on. So that makes it worth more because it's...
Right, let's go back to the LaFerrari. Yeah, sorry peeps, kind of ran out of space. And I had to like find the memory card, man.
I was in my zone and he cut me off.
All right, let's start this again.
As we've already explained, this is a Ferrari LaFerrari, which I hope you're all familiar with, finished in stunning, very rare colour, Rosso Formula 1 2007. And if you look at the roof and here, I believe this is one of the only, or the only LaFerrari in the world with a satin carbon fibre roof. So the entire roof is finished in exposed satin carbon fibre. Very nice, and I think it's the only one in the world. Engine also has it, and you notice the stripe on the engine in red is also satin, so that's very nice. Lovely car.
All right, tell me about the wing.
So earlier they were doing a demonstration. The wing, in normal road use, you'd never see that happen, but if you're cornering hard on track or something, the wing comes up and the diffuser changes shape to give more downforce. And here they have a special magic computer where you can prompt it to do that on demand for servicing it or whatever, but today it was just for a display. So that's quite cool because it's something you'd never normally see on the LaFerrari. A lot of people don't even realise that this whole section here is a wing.
I didn't
It's
know
very,
that today.
very nicely hidden in there.
Nice.
And if you have ever seen it come up, then I suppose that you're quite lucky because you've seen a LaFerrari being driven hard car, the LaFerrari Aperta.
Oh yeah, my
So
favorite.
every Aperta's got the 70th
70th.
anniversary badge on there.
Yeah.
We're honoured to be in the presence of two here. So we've only showed you one LaFerrari coupe, and this is the Aperta. Aperta is Italian for open, meaning open top. So you can see here. Some come with the fabric roof that folds away, however this is the carbon roof. This one's painted black, the one up there is exposed carbon, and it's something like a £42,000 option to have the carbon roof rather than the rollout roof. So that's quite cool. This is the same owner as the very cool, rare, awesome F40 GT down there.
Okay.
So, lucky guy. This is very nice. Come on, have a look around the back.
All right.
So noticeable differences between the coupe actually. Wing mirrors sit a lot lower. It looks like someone's almost pushed them down. Big black bit here, doesn't have that on the LaFerrari coupe, a big black bit. Obviously the 70th anniversary badge, although I have seen a coupe with the 70th anniversary badge, so that's not a hard and fast rule, but generally speaking. Roof comes off, that's a big giveaway, although not always easy to notice, especially when they have the carbon roof. And then the livery, this kind of flaggy livery, generally tends to be on the Aperta, although I've seen coupes with the livery and Apertas without it,
Yeah.
but generally speaking. And also, we can't show you right now, but the doors open, kind of, instead of straight up, they kind of go like this.
And it's kind of like an Aston Martin-y, kind of like, yeah.
Slightly different style of door. I think that's to incorporate the way they've had to change the airflow for when the roof's
Ah, I
off.
see.
Because, for instance, you have this plastic bar here.
Yeah.
Plastic, I don't know if it's metal or plastic. To stop your hair getting blown around, basically, when the roof's off when you go in 200 miles an hour.
All right, that'd be good for me.
You can see around the back. That wing that we mentioned on the other cars, where this whole thing would come out.
Yeah.
Plus carbon engine, as opposed to the satin carbon engine we showed you on the other side. And then here, it's the same thing again really, although this one, hard to appreciate with all in the air, but this one doesn't have a stripe. Entirely carbon bottom, flat bottom. That's best for the airflow, best for downfall. Your road car, like your Ford Focus, it's got all sorts of crap underneath there. They don't care about this, but this has to be a perfectly flat with some channeling and cooling and things bottom to suck it into the ground and keep it pressed down. Let's get from underneath here before it falls on us.
All right. So what color is this though? This like
This is Rosso Corsa.
Rosso Corsa. Okay.
That's the standard red.
The standard red. All right.
Just noticed that this one has grey strap. Like, I thought it's the same. Oh, sorry.
Hey,
We're in the middle of something.
we're in the middle of
Sam has
something
decided
important,
to
man.
disrupt
Oh,
us, but he's
really?
pointed out
All right, man.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm good.
the Argento Nürburgring livery as opposed to the blue Potsy livery on the other side.
I don't know nothing about these colours.
No, he's
I'm
like
struggling
just,
to understand. Like, what is that colour? What is this? I don't know. I just
That's
know it's a
Bianco
cool-
Liana and Rosso Corsa and Rosso Fuoco.
Is that a triple layer colour? The
Yeah,
white-
that's one off.
he's just too funny, man.
Oh, that's
Bianco Liana. Sound like some girl's name. I don't know, man.
maybe it is.
Wait, back to work, man. Back to
the main
business. Yeah.
star.
Back to the main event.
Back
Yeah.
to the main
I
star.
mentioned earlier Gordon Ramsay, the world famous chef.
Yep.
This is his LaFerrari Coupe.
All right.
So satin carbon there, lovely. This is Grigio Silverstone finish.
Yep.
Really nice. And Nero Attaco roof as opposed to the satin carbon roof we showed you over there.
All right.
The tints on this one, so you can't quite see what's going on inside. Again, this wing that we mentioned, so that's that whole panel there.
Yeah.
Comes out here.
My arm's a bit shaky right now because this camera's quite heavy after
It's been a long day.
All right, man. Thank you very much. Until next time, man. Cheers, man. Whew. I gotta eat something now. I'm hungry.
Before they can roll.
Yeah, I had one.